Hello everyone, I'm working on the X3 again. Pretty much the drive belt snapped like 2 weeks ago, last week, I can't remember. Because obviously you can see there's a lot of oil down there. It's all been leaking from this thing and then running along this wire, these pipes, and then dripping onto the belt and flicking it all over that side. So I went and ordered the kit for this. We've got Superman over there. So pretty much this O-ring is much better than the one that comes stock because it fills up the gap more. Also, it's got like a replacement spring, and they reckon it'll open at like a lower temperature, that way it keeps the oil colder. Anyways, at the same time I bought the belt tensioner, the belt, and somewhere in there's a pulley for the belt. And if you just heard that noise, my little brother just hit the fucking toolbox on the car, so he's about to get hiding. Anyways, I'll give you an update very soon. Straight up. Okay. The spring didn't come out, so I'm just trying to figure that out right now. But we got this out. And this one didn't end up fitting with the original cap. I forgot to buy a new cap as well. But anyways, now we're going to take off the tensioner, the idler pulley, replace those, and then we can put the belt back on and hopefully turn this thing on. Woohoo! I've got good news. I took off the tensioner thingy. The pulley is still fine, it still spins like it's supposed to, but I suspect something else. It might be the oil leak, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm going to put the new tensioner on soon. My brother's just taking off the idler. Oh, he got it off. Can you show the world? The whole 25 people that's going to watch this? 25 million. Yeah. That's pretty much it. We're just going to chuck the new stuff on, put the belt on. Alright. So, put the new thing on. New tensioner, new idler pulley, new belt. Put this fan back in. Everything looks like it's connected where it should be. I don't run this cowl thing, I just let the air come in through this duct. We're gonna give it a start soon. We're just gonna pack up first, and then we're gonna have to do it later. Woohoo! What? More power or?
Yeah, more power.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it all just shut off. Can you press the boost button? Alright. Power. Boost. Alright, go for it. Maybe it's the fuel pump? Turn the headlights off. Alright, we bought jumper leads. So, positive, negative. Got these ones connected. Alright, we've got this guy connected to that guy. Let's see if this guy turns on. Okay, there's smoke on there. I'm seeing a little bit of rubber coming off. Stopping off.